Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to unbox the Spring Delight card kit of the month from February 2022 from Spellbinders. And yes, it is now in a pouch. If you're not aware of the updates to the club items and card kits, check out my videos from January and it kind of goes over my thoughts. And here we are moving on to another month. And I'm excited because Spring Delight sounds just darling right now because I live in Minnesota and you can only imagine the weather. I should be blunt here. I do love snow, but you know, I love the sunshine. So every day it's getting lighter and I am happy about that. Okay, I'm just going to grab the inspiration sheet before I dig in, but I am already seeing some really nice things. So let's just dive right in. Here's the sheet, Spring Delight, and it looks like it's coming with similar things like last month. Let's just do a quick comparison. I have that other one from last month. So we have pattern paper, chipboard stickers this time. Last time we had chipboard frames, puffy stickers, embellishment sequins. Okay, so this is still similar to how the card kits used to be, how sometimes they come with chipboard frames, sometimes chipboard stickers, sometimes the sequins, and sometimes the gems. And if you're not aware, this is kind of what the gems look like. I love both. I think the sequins are a little easier for mailing, but I love the gems as well. So let's see, we have 8 cards in envelopes, which are always wonderful. Can't make a card without paper, so we need those card bases. And let's see, we have the 20 card panels. Again, I do like that they cut this down already because I don't really make a lot of slimline cards. Not saying that I never will, but it's just not something I do a lot. Same with 5x7 cards. I will make some, but most of them are the A2 size, which is this size. So let's go through the colors. We have dark blue, kind of a navy, I'd say. Light blue, which is perfect for spring. That classic pastel pink from Spellbinders, this really vibrant yellow, gorgeous. And kind of a minty pastel green. So those are the 5 colors that I have here. Now when I do make cards with card kits, I will pull in other cardstocks, but this is a wonderful starting point. And if you're not aware, card kits usually have kind of a theme to them, a color scheme, and usually everything coordinates. So it's helpful to have this paper. Okay, now we have the pattern paper. Open this up. It now comes loose, which is nice. Don't have to sit there and untangle it from a pad, which is a little easier this way. Okay, we have some, is that a goose or a duck? I think it's a duck. We have little ducks and some floral paper, butterfly paper, gingham. Oh, fun. My goodness, cute. Might have to make some teacher thank you cards with that paper. That is the kind of paper that I will use every square inch of. We have another green one. Some swags. Lemons. Oh, I love lemons. I like that this is dark too. If you can't tell, I like black. Okay. Oh, the foiling on that's gorgeous. I like that. Pink. Sunshine. It's what we all need. It's what I need right now. Ice cream, the best food in the world. More flowers. I love florals. I wear a lot of florals in my day-to-day world. Oh, for cute. Those are bunnies. And pinwheels. And this pattern, okay, I have seen this pattern on a few different shirts that are coming out for spring. I know I saw it from Isaac Mizrahi and Lori Goldstein, I think is her name. Anyway, they're designers, and this is kind of reminding me of the 70s look with this orange and yellow and green. That is coming back into style, so that's kind of fun that they have it here. We have this dark green that has a very light pattern on it. Let's just see. I'll count up how many papers we have here. I think it's 20. There's 5, 10, 15, 20. Yep, 20 papers, and you get one of each, and they are single-sided. Just pretty. Okay, the next thing on my list is cardstock stickers. Okay, I love when these come in card kits because they have a ton of them. And sometimes different card companies will replace the stickers here for die cuts, but it looks like there is die cuts as well, so that's generous. Okay, oh, look at all the animals. Oh, that's fun. This worm, get out. That's adorable. So we have that page. Oh, nice. We have a bunch of sentiments, which is kind of nice because that does kind of replace the stamped set that used to come in the kits. So that's nice. And what else do we have here? 4 pages. Excellent. I think that's 4. Is this 2 together? I had to check. There is only 4. Okay. Oh, I love these bigger pieces. I like to peel these off and put them on cardstock, kind of like mat them around, so have a border of a color or white, and then that's kind of like the statement part of the card. Okay, snail on a stump. That is so sweet. And the last page here kind of reminds me of this page with the springy stuff with the bigger pieces. Excellent. Next we have the puffy stickers, which are always fun to use. I'll keep them in the packaging since you can see without a glare there. Let's see, we have a lot of just cheerful sentiments. I really enjoy the cursive print. I think that is very darling. And these little rectangle words are really sweet as well. Oh, and there's hearts. The hearts would go very well in replacement of a gemstone. If you're looking for something to kind of accompany sequins, you can put hearts and sequins together, and the puffy stickers are always kind of fun for that. The nice thing about the puffy stickers are you don't have to sit there and put glue on the background. There's already glue behind them, so you just peel and stick. So very simple. Okay, now we have the chipboard embellishments, which there's 2 sides. We have this side with a lemon tree. That's adorable. And the little, I can't get over this bunny in a cup. That is so cute. Very sweet. I love putting these circles together on a card and making like a circle card. I might do that, and if I do, you will see that in a video. Next we have the die cut shapes. I'll come back to those at the end, as you know. If you've watched any of my unboxings before, you know what I'm going to do with those in just a minute here. But we have the double-sided tape, which is perfect for putting down pattern paper and cardstock, and even using that with some of the die cut shapes. And then we also have the foam stickers on the back, which are perfect for popping up different elements and making it kind of have dimension to your project. Now I will just pull out, this is one from my last month's kit that I haven't used up yet, but instead of just throwing away this piece, you can cut it off right about here, and you can use this whole area after you've used the squares. And I call that the waffle area because once all of these squares are removed, it looks like a waffle. Self-explanatory maybe, but anyway. Okay, I'm going to open up all of the die cut pieces, and I will be back and show you what they all look like. And with the help of some clever editing, we are back, and you can see all of the die cuts here. I have 4 of them here that are a little large, so they did not fit on my trays, but here is the first larger one. We have a little house. Very cute. And we have this one, which is probably close to my This one is probably in my top 5 favorite from this die cut pack because, again, I love the lemons and that is just so cheerful and beautiful. Then we have these 2 circles with the cake and the bunny in the cup. So looking at the rest of it, this whole area on this side is all flowers. So it's very flowery and springy, which is just perfect because I need to start making some Mother's Day cards for the mothers in my life so they can have a card on Mother's Day. So that's perfect. And we have on this side some of the scene builders is what I like to call this area. We have the food, hearts, and then the animals on the top. And I just want to say this duck it looks like he's dancing would be so cute with the showered with love umbrella, like the little raining hearts. I'll insert a picture here of a card that I made with some gnomes, but wouldn't that little duck look adorable under that umbrella? Anyway, maybe I'll put this umbrella in his hand. We will see. Anyway, I do just want to mention before I move on and say my final thoughts about this card kit is you can add on to your card kit a die set, and the die set looks like this. I'll put a picture on the screen of what it looks like at the end when you assemble it, but basically it's the bunny in the cup, you guys. And you can, bunnies aren't your thing, you can just make the teacup, or you can make just the pinwheel here, but it is adorable. And you can have the teacups a hoppy spring, which is adorable. If you're not sure about the add-ons, go ahead and check out the Q&A section that is on the Spellbinders website, and that will help answer questions about the add-ons and just go from there. So we have, of course, this quick and easy card kit, which is what I just unboxed for you. We have this one, which is called Spring Tea, which is what I call the bunny in the cup. And with the stitch die, they do have another add-on for that. And it is pretty simple, nothing too crazy. But the add-on for that is a rectangle die cut, and then there are some sentiments to put on the pocket. So you can say, hello friend, a gift for you, thinking of you, or thanks a bunch. I think of the 4, my favorite would probably be thanks a bunch because it has the flowers in the pocket, which to me makes sense. But maybe you could put the little bunny in the pocket too. That would be kind of cute. I'm really going to try this month to kind of coordinate everything from the club release. Like, just put them all together and make some cards. Still have some that are featuring, each thing, each club, but really just trying to kind of play around with the whole collection for February in general. And again, my focus is also making some Mother's Day cards, so I will be doing that. I have a stamp set. Let's see. I think it's this one. Yes. It's the stamp set, and I know this came out a while ago. It's called the We All Dance Sentiments, but it has this stamp sentiment called Happy Mother's Day and Happy Father's Day, and I will be using that one a lot with this card kit because, again, I need Mother's Day cards. So luckily I have so many Spellbinders stamp sets that I really am ready for any occasion now, especially with getting all of the old card kits and the old stamp and coordinating dies of the month. I have quite a good selection now, so I'm ready to do that. So now I'm ready to make some cards. So if you're interested in seeing what in the world I do with all of this adorable animals and flowers and different things, come on back. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and you will be able to see everything that I do with this card kit and the club items for the month. Anyway, thank you for watching this unboxing video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Let me know in the comments what part of the card kit you are the most excited for. If I had to say one thing, I would say probably the sticker pages, because they are very versatile and there are 4 pages, which is just wonderful. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Bye!